worked with many students who are aiming for 50 plus, 65 plus, and 79 plus scores using templates in essay writing, and the results are shocking. Let's find it out together. But before we jump into details further, I would request you to watch the video till the end for our expert tips and see what we found out in the research. Now, we use template to get the desired score. And this is also the general notion that using template will get you your target score, right? Wrong. See, here is how. Let's check the answers of few students. This is sample answer of Purmeet. He used the template and just insert his own words, which is marked with a dark color. Let's read it together. One of the conspicuous trends of today's world is a colossal upsurge in the number of people believing that mass media has negative impact as it negatively impacts reputation of public figures. There is a widespread worry that this will lead to a myriad of concern in one's life. However, I do not entirely accept this and then explain why in this essay. Then in the next paragraph, again you just only insert one line. That is, mass media provide latest and updated news at one place, and there are numerous other benefits in various fields. So it's nothing much. It's just that it provides the latest and updated news at one place. Same thing in the next paragraph. Using mass media as an important tool to get updated with the world. In the views of arguments outlined above, one can conclude that benefits of mass media has positive impact on everyone's life. So in this paragraph, he hardly use one line in one or other way. He just paraphrase it most of the time in all the essay. That is why the Permeet score is only 50 marks because 216 words are total word count for his essay. 200 words are from the template and hardly he used 16 words from his own. So that is why he got 50 marks. Now let's check out the answer of the another student. In this one, same template, but let's see what changes she had made. Mass media plays an important role in recent time. Clear cut idea what the topic is and what she's trying to say. Next paragraph. Moreover, it offered numerous other benefits in various fields, such as providing a positive influence on common people and fans and helping them make informed decisions and form positive opinion. So he or she give us the more benefit in this one, more elaborative one. Then in the next paragraph, she didn't mention much about from her own. Then let's see in the last one. Therefore, it is essential to use mass media responsibly. So in this case, as we can see, her ideas are more clear compared to Permeet. So she used 220 words for her whole essay, 1 to 80 words from the template and 40 words from her own, but she didn't mention the example as well, so she gets 65 marks. That is your 7 bands. Now let's compare both the scores. This is the Permise and the Catherine score. As we can see, Permeet wrote less words. He focused more on keywords, whereas Catherine focused more on sentences. The clarity was more there in her sentences. So that is why Permeet's score was only 50 marks and 65 for Catherine. So if you are aiming for 50 bands, use the keyword method. But if you are aiming for 65, use the sentence method. Clear? Okay. Now, what is the strategy that we can follow to get a 679 plus score? That is our 8 band. Let's discuss the scoring of PT essay writing first before we dive into it, because that's very important aspect. Content score, you will get full 3 marks when you are adequately deal with the prompt. That means you have to give the answer what is being asked. That's very important, because if you are not giving what is being asked, your content score is not going to help you much for getting the good score of 79 in your essay part. So 2 marks if you are just only talk about one aspect, the major one, and leaving the minor one. Okay, if you are just talking only about the one side. Next is 1 marks only if you are just omitting the major part and only talk about the just the topic. Okay, 0 mark if you're not dealing with it properly. So based on the content scoring which you are going to get your scores in your exam, make sure we follow that one so that we can get 79 plus score. So what are the three keys that we can use it to get this score? First one, address the question directly, explain clearly, elaborate your answers with clear thoughts. Okay, that's very important. Second, make simple sentences to boost the vocabulary and grammar scores. Don't go for too much complex sentences, specifically in your body paragraph, both the body paragraphs, because you are already using those things in your introduction and conclusion. So keep your sentences simple to avoid those marks in your grammar and in your vocabulary. Then, in your third part, simple, no mistake, full spelling marks. What does that mean is instead of going for advanced level of English words in your essay, make sure you use the synonyms, simple one, whom you are 100% confident about your spellings. Instead of going for complex one, better to use a simple one to get the full scores in your spelling point, because spelling affect your overall writing score. Okay, so spellings are super important in your PT essay part. Now, what your essay will consist of? Your essay will consist of four parts. First is your introduction. Okay, introduction, two body paragraphs, BP1 and BP2, and your conclusion. One example is mandatory in your whole essay to get the 8 bands. So that you can add it up either in the first paragraph or either in the second. That's totally your call. Now, let's do the essay for 8 bands, and I'll select this topic. We are going to do it together. The topic is mass media has become a part and parcel of life. Discuss both advantages and disadvantages and give your opinion by giving relevant example. Now, according to the content, that if you deal with the prompt properly, you will get the full score. Now, what is being asked in the question? Advantages, disadvantages, opinion, and example. So that means if you are giving all these four things in your essay, you definitely will get your 8 marks. Why not? So that means we have to focus on these four things. So let's do it together with the introduction part. So same template you can use it. One of the conspicuous trends in today's world is the colossal upsurge in the number of people believing that mass media plays an important role in recent time. However, some argue that it is heading towards the darker side and detrimentally affecting the reputation of public figures. So this is our positive side we are talking about, and here we are talking about the negative side, that is the disadvantages. There is widespread concern that this will lead to a myriad of issues in one's life. Nevertheless, I do not entirely agree with this viewpoint, and I will explain why in this essay. So now we are going to explain our advantages and disadvantages in this body paragraph. So first we are talking about advantages, or even if you have to give the reasons about your agree viewpoint, then you can add it up. There are several arguments in favor of my stance. So, what are the arguments? Let's see. Supporting statement. The most preponderant one is that in this contemporary fast paced life, when everyone is busy and lacks the time to stay updated with the worldly affair, so mass media will help you out to gain valuable insights into worldwide activities in no time. So, this is the most beneficial, right? You can get any information anywhere, anytime. Further, that is the second benefit. Preprudent one was the first one, now the second. What is another benefit? That it offers numerous other benefits in various fields, such as providing a positive influence on common people and helping them make informed decision to form the positive opinion. So it helps us to make the opinions and make the informed decisions. So these are the two benefits. Now let's talk about the next paragraph. So we talk about the advantages. Now we are going to talk about the other side, that is the disagree or the disadvantages. Thanks to the wide range of advantages it offers, not only does mass media provide one benefit, but it also has detrimental effect on people's life, specifically for public figures. Now we are going to talk about those negative impacts. Predominant one is that mass media irresponsibly without checking the facts, if run the any news, it can make or break the person's careers and life. For instance, now we are going to talk about one example as well. According to the research conducted by the New York Times magazine, celebrities like Virat Kohli and his family comes on the receiving end of the trolling when he is not able to score in the match and India lost that important match. So, what happens because of that? For this, his family had faced a lot of heat from the certain section of society, and due to this, media continuously displaying lost match innings, this trolling become worse and affect their personal life. So that happens, right? When you see any advertisement or any kind of news on repetition, it will psychologically affect you somewhere. So that means the person who is on the other side, it is going to affect their mental health as well. Clear? So how we have to write our disadvantages. Now let's talk about the conclusion. In conclusion, while mass media has many benefits, we cannot ignore its negative impacts. We can complete our conclusion up here if we reach our 220 limit. But if they ask us our opinion and we have to increase our word limit, we can add one or two suggestions up here. Let's talk about those suggestions. Therefore, according to me, now they asked us our opinion. So this is our opinion. It is essential to use mass media responsibly and should aim for maximizing its potential benefit for the betterment of the society. So these are two suggestions that use it responsibility. Otherwise, it will impact your personal life as well as professional life as well. Well, that's wrap for today. If you found our video informative, don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon for more latest videos. This will really help us to produce more content. My name is Rubal and this is ptmocktest.com.